Yes, hello everyone. Hello KHASI people, Northeast people, Meghalaya, Shillong, Kumnopilong Paralog, Nakarteng, Gabs, Gabi, and today we are back again, guys, to another reaction, guys. Today we are not reacting to the music, guys. Today we are going to see a KHASI teaser, guys, by the title Khaii. Khaii is gonna be a KHASI film very soon, which might be released July or August this year only, guys. So Khaii is like La Khaii, right? Business. We're gonna do business. We're gonna see business, guys. You know, yeah. I'm so curious to share this with you guys. So let's not talk much. Yeah, today teaser is from Elegis Thongni, guys. So let's check his work.
Đây nói xuôi.
Okay. Elegis. Elegis is
Beli
here.
me kuslay kapisa. Kiumbia jong me kalaban terkong. Kamu kapisa jong
Whenever I hear TEASER, then that's business. This is Meghalaya, guys. This is the beauty of Meghalaya. Just see.
Compare.
Khaii.
Wala pija ingru. Wala do menta kami.
From tonight
Nanti alam
onward,
tapi.
I will sleep. Oh, there is some love story also there. And there is some action story also there.
What about the girls?
Oh, the brother
You wanted
asking
two
about
girls?
the girls. Yeah, 2 girls. Bro want 2 girls. And 2 girls, brother. That's this business. Don't tell me this business is about the girls.
Mình lại nè, nghe.
Now the business is failing. Producer, Elegis. Which fall is this, guys? Which fall is this? Guys, don't tell me that this business, the Khaii, La Khaii is about the girls, because I saw my brother there was asking straight up, what about the girls? And they are pairing him 2 girls, man. But anyway, so I know every business must include very important things: money and girls. Girls should be part of every business, and money also, guys. So anyway, back to this amazing teaser, guys, from Elegis Thongni, guys. This is the director. This is my first time reacting to this KHASI film, guys. It's not yet released, but this is just a teaser. And honestly, I'm just so impressed. To be honest, I'm so impressed of this so far. Just this 1-minute teaser, guys. I'm expecting this film to be really amazing, guys. To be honestly, you know what? I usually don't like to react to KHASI film. Why? Because like I have never ever been impressed by any KHASI film. I've never even watched any KHASI film, guys. I usually think like KHASI people, they don't like movies. They don't like that filming of movies. Or is it a big project? I know, yeah, indeed, making movies a very big project. It requires need more money, more project. Like it's a big project, not easy for someone to handle this. So I was just thinking, even why is it that KHASI people or Meghalaya in general, like they are not interested in making movies? Moreover, they have amazing, beautiful places, beautiful people, and people who also mostly speak English, guys, to be honest. Northeast people, Meghalaya people, like compared to other states of India, they are very good in English speaking. So this is so easy for them also to make movies. But man, this is opposite of this. But Elegis is telling you guys that we're gonna do it. I can see a better, bright future from Elegis. To me, I'm really so impressed about your work, and I'm really wishing and encouraging all the other film directors or people who are interested in making movie, guys. They should try it, guys. Start from the small you have, guys. You know, those big directors who made those popular Bollywood movies or Tollywood movie. They started like this before, so we should not give up, guys. I'm really supporting these guys, and you all should support him, guys. You should support the Elegis Thongni, guys. Do subscribe to his channel, guys. Your support will make him believe in his work. Indeed, this work is worth watching, guys. This is really amazing. Yet the film we did not watch, but from this teaser, guys, I'm really so impressed, guys. See how he's promoting the culture coming back to this teaser. It's amazing. Like, indeed, he kept the culture, the place, like promotion of the KHASI culture, the tradition, and moreover the energy, guys, the energy, the attention. This really catch my attention, guys. This is really amazing, guys. I just can't wait. I just can't wait to watch this official KHASI film, Khaii, guys, which will be released soon. All I can tell you, guys, support side project, guys, because it's not easy to do it, but if someone try, you should support him, guys. Keep doing the work. Elegis Thongni, this is really amazing. I just can't wait, and please next time you should invite me for Lakai. Yeah, I'm also interested in making the movies, man. But let's take Shillong, Northeast Meghalaya, to another level, guys. Let the other Indian people also watch your movie, guys. And yeah, can't wait, guys. That's all, guys. Thank you so much. And as I told you, go and support Elegis Thongni, guys. We should support this movie. Till next time.